Within the shadows of tangled roots, where land dissolves into water, lies an unseen world crucial to our survival. Mangrove forests, verdant sentinels, stand resolute against encroaching tides, weaving a tapestry of resilience. In the face of climate change, these living fortresses offer sanctuary not only to myriad species but also to humanity itself. With each ebb and flow, these trees breathe life into coastlines, filtering salt from seawater and offering refuge to diverse creatures. They act as natural barriers against storms, reducing the savage impact of surges that would otherwise ravage the land. Their complex roots anchor soil, preventing erosion, a testament to nature's ingenuity. Picture the coastline where the land meets the sea, where historic storms have left imprints of destruction. Within the mangroves, rain pelts down, the sun breaks through the canopy, and life unfurls. Fish dart through the underbrush while crustaceans scuttle across muddy banks, all supported by the ancient wisdom of mangrove trees. Each organism plays a role in a symphony of life, an interconnected web emphasizing the importance of biodiversity. Yet, the story of the mangroves goes beyond protection from storms. As seas rise, their existence becomes even more critical. Recent studies reveal the astonishing ability of mangrove trees to sequester carbon, a process offsetting greenhouse gas emissions and combating climate change. Their roots extend into rich, organic sediments, capturing and holding CO2 that might otherwise contribute to global warming. Preserving our mangrove forests is essential. Neglecting these vital ecosystems risks biodiversity loss and the security of coastal communities. We must invest in their protection and restoration, recognizing that they are not just trees but critical allies in the battle against climate change. Every step to safeguard these ecosystems is a stride towards a sustainable future. Though we may not always see the immediate impact of our actions, preserving mangroves ensures future generations may walk along lush coastlines where life thrives, echoing the resilience of these ancient guardians. As we delve deeper into mangrove ecosystems, a world pulsating with life and resilience unfolds. Sunlight filters through, casting a golden hue on the rich, muddy earth below. The roots of mangroves stretch outwards and downwards, creating a labyrinth nurturing myriad life forms. Here, the dance of survival is evident. The seabed is a tapestry of textures and colors, where mudskippers hop across the surface like acrobats, showcasing their exceptional adaptations. Nearby, fiddler crabs wave oversized claws, their vibrant hues striking against the muted browns and greens of the soil. Such interactions illustrate survival strategies that have evolved over millennia. Above, mangrove branches become highways for avian travelers. Herons and kingfishers dart between branches, their sharp calls punctuating the air. These trees provide shelter and serve as feeding grounds, enhancing avian populations relying on mangrove-dwelling fish and crustaceans. The mangrove is also a narrative of resilience against climate change. Researchers have shown how their dense root systems act as natural barriers against storm surges and coastal erosion. They absorb the energy of waves, safeguarding precious shorelines where human lives and infrastructure are at stake. Mangroves actively engage in a battle against rising sea levels, crucial for protecting coastal communities worldwide. Despite their myriad benefits, mangroves face unprecedented threats. Urbanization, pollution, and deforestation pose dire challenges. The International Union for Conservation of Nature reports alarming statistics: mangrove forests are disappearing 3 to 5 times faster than other forests. The consequences ripple through oceans, affecting fisheries and the intricate web of life these ecosystems sustain. Recent initiatives strive to restore and conserve mangrove habitats globally. From community-driven planting efforts to government-backed conservation programs, momentum is shifting towards recognizing their value. Through shared knowledge and collective action, we can protect mangroves for generations to come. As the sun sets, painting the sky, we are reminded of the fragility and beauty of this ecosystem. The rhythmic lapping of waves against roots resonates, a call to action. In the face of adversity, the mangrove stands tall, rooted deep in the earth, a living testament to nature's strength. In twilight, the mangrove forest transforms into a sanctuary of whispers and secrets, alive with tiny crabs scuttling across mud, crucial to the health of this ecosystem. Above, trees stand sentinel, adorned with epiphytic orchids and ferns, creating a living tapestry. The rustle of leaves fills the air, a testament to life's interconnectedness. Research unveils the extraordinary resilience of this ecosystem. Mangrove roots not only provide stability but also act as nurseries for countless marine species. Fish like snapper find refuge among the roots, while juvenile sea turtles navigate underwater highways. Each wave revitalizes this hidden world. The hidden interactions of these plants and animals extend into climate science. Mangroves are among the planet's most effective carbon sinks, capable of sequestering up to 5 times more carbon dioxide than tropical rainforests. As they capture carbon, they help mitigate climate change, providing an invaluable ally in fighting an uncertain future. A recent study illuminates the dynamic relationship between mangroves and coastal communities. These forests absorb storm surges, reducing impacts of rising tides. Areas fortified by mangroves exhibit significantly less damage post-hurricanes, offering hope for vulnerable populations. This connection between humanity and nature is poignant as we face environmental threats exacerbated by our actions. Local inhabitants often possess profound understandings of the mangrove ecosystem. They utilize traditional ecological knowledge to sustainably harvest resources while ensuring environmental health. By blending old wisdom with modern science, they cultivate renewed respect for the natural world. However, threats escalate. Coastal development, pollution, and climate change erode vital ecosystems at alarming rates. Each tree lost diminishes the web of life, transforming vibrant habitats into barren wastelands. This loss threatens biodiversity and undermines resilience of coastal communities, inviting us to confront a vital truth: we must act now. Conservation efforts are gaining momentum, fueled by urgency. Scientists and advocates rallying communities aim to restore damaged mangrove habitats. Replanting programs symbolize hope. Each young shoot breaking through the soil promises a future where humanity coexists harmoniously with nature. As the last light fades, the mangrove forest emerges into shadows, alive with nocturnal sounds. The croaking of frogs, rustling of small mammals, and hum of insects create a soothing lullaby. This nocturnal orchestra invites admiration for this pulsating life, reminding us of the delicate equilibrium we must strive to maintain. Reflecting on the importance of these coastal sentinels, we are called toward action. The fate of mangroves depends on our ability to recognize their value, not just as buffers against climate change but as vital ecosystem components. Within their embrace lies a profound responsibility to protect, conserve, and nurture this irreplaceable sanctuary that shelters nature's wonders. As we delve deeper into mangrove ecosystems, we uncover extraordinary adaptations, trees thriving at the crossroads of land and sea, regulating salinity. Mangroves utilize specialized structures called pneumatophores, roots that rise above water's surface, filtering salt and absorbing fresh water. The extraordinary symbiotic relationships within these brackish waters abound. The roots create havens for marine life. Juvenile fish find refuge from predators, and the mangroves serve as nurseries for countless species critical to oceanic health. The remarkable migratory birds relying on mangroves are vital to their survival. These coastal forests are essential stopover points, their vibrant plumage contrasting starkly against greenery. This interconnectedness shows that the health of mangroves impacts the survival of countless species that migrate, breed, and thrive among their branches. As carbon sinks, these trees capture carbon dioxide at an astounding rate, up to 4 times more than terrestrial forests. They stand as guardians against climate change, reminding us of their dual purpose, to protect and purify. While we marvel at these discoveries, we must remember that these ecosystems are under threat. Coastal development, pollution, and climate change are eroding mangroves at alarming rates. The world loses approximately 1% of mangrove forests yearly, a disappearance echoing across oceans, disturbing the delicate balance of ecological networks. This loss threatens not only biodiversity but also the resilience of coastal communities that depend on mangroves for protection against natural disasters. We must confront that. We must act now. Reflecting on the ocean's essence, we are reminded of invaluable lessons about life. The rhythmic ebb and flow of tides, the caress of sea breeze, and sun-drenched canopies of mangroves remind us of existence's delicate dance. Within these embraces lies a deeper understanding of our interdependence with nature. Every creature, tide, and breath is connected through a web woven over millennia. Mangrove preservation stands at the heart of ocean conservation. These ecosystems are buffers against rising tides and testimonies to life's resilience, a mirror reflecting the strength we too must embody in adversity. Mangroves inspire a call to action, urging us to foster harmony with the natural world. They are formidable allies in our fight for survival. As we gaze into the horizon, let us remember that every action counts. In the tapestry of life, the fate of the mangroves intertwines with our own. Protecting these ancient trees preserves resilience for generations to come. Every step in nurturing these ecosystems echoes throughout oceans, reminding us that we are custodians of this remarkable planet, tasked with honoring life's interconnectedness. Beyond mangrove forests, uncharted ocean realms remain mysterious. 80% of this deep blue expanse remains unexplored, hiding secrets that could reshape our understanding of life on Earth. Picture dark depths, where light barely penetrates, and astonishing creatures thrive in silent splendor. What wonders await in these shadowy depths? Perhaps undiscovered species, ancient ecosystems, or clues to life's origins. Each dive into the ocean's abyss invites uncovering the extraordinary. The mangrove tree stands sentinel along the coast. Uncharted waters hold the promise of resilience and survival. With every heartbeat of the tide, the ocean whispers stories, waiting for the curious to seek them out. The call to explore is a reminder of our place in this majestic world, urging us to protect and cherish every drop.